Hello and welcome back to Katie's Business Tips. Glad to be with you. Michael Lapede here, talking to you about financial statements. In this video, we're going to talk about leverage. Well, what is leverage? Leverage is taking something you have like an asset and using it to create more of something. So leveraging your house, for example, and what could I get? Could I get a second house? Could I borrow enough money to buy a second house, as an example? Now, in a company, leverage is important because it's the ratio that measures the company's capital structure. How is the capital structured in the company? And how are the assets of the company financed? Right? That's very important. We need to use this to determine what percentage of the debt versus what percentage of equity the company is using to finance its operations. So sometimes you're going to use debt, you're going to borrow money, and sometimes you're going to get money from shareholders or people buying shares as an option to get equity versus debt. Okay, so what percentage? And to figure out the leverage, we take the long-term debt and we divide it by the equity. Okay, that's important. The debt to equity ratio measures how much a company should safely be able to borrow over long periods of time. So we take our leverage, we now have our leverage number, and now we're looking, okay, debt to equity percentage, what are we finding out here? Here you're getting the percentage of the company that is indebted, or in other words, leveraged. Okay, and how we do that, we take that debt to equity, we go total liabilities divided by the shareholders' equity. These are some simplistic formulas, but of course you need the financials to do it. Now, if you have your own company, you're going to be looking at these financials. If you're looking at someone else's company to buy, you're going to want these numbers. And if you're looking to invest through stocks in a company, of course, you're going to have this data because all public companies have to produce this data. And you can run these numbers yourself. And as always, compare to industry standards and look how they compare to competitors. Got any questions? We'd love to hear from you. Post in the comments below and we'll see you in the next video.